Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made by Unique, and today we're going to see how to post a photo on your Threads app, Instagram Threads app. So if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to post the photos on the Threads app like Instagram. So you just want to click on the profile and click on the center option. You can see it's actually a post option or post tool. Just click this. Now you just type any caption for your photo. So my first thread photo. Okay, I just typing like that, and then you can just add any emojis. So you can see an option on the downside. You can see a link option. Actually it's a photo option. Just click this. It's all actually opens your gallery. You just choose the photos that you want to post and click done. Now it shows the photo with my caption. Now you can just click on the post option on the below. Now your photo has been posted on the Thread app like the Instagram or Twitter. So now you can see anyone can like this photo, comment this photo, or repost this photo and share the post. And click on this three dot. You can see you can control who can reply for this post, this photo, or just click on this and you can hide the like count, and also you can delete it. So this is how you just post the photo on your Threads app. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable Threads content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made by Unique. Have a wonderful day.